Welcome to the Mental Cleanse video. Get ready to reset your mind and embark on this journey towards mental clarity. Today, we are going to clean up all the mental clutter and make space for fresh and brilliant thoughts. Grab your turbocharged mental broom, put on your imaginary apron, and let's get down to business. Together, we will confront the villains of negative thinking, overcome obstacles, and leave behind self-criticism and worries. Share this journey with your friends, inspire each other, and celebrate every step taken towards a lighter and freer mind. Get ready to shine with a renewed mind full of positivity. Let's do this because it's time for a cleanup, and let joy take over your mind. Firstly, do you know what mental clutter is? It's like a dark shadow that hovers over our minds, bringing sadness, insecurity, and distress. It's a weight we carry without realizing, accumulating negative thoughts, self-criticism, and worries that consume us from within. This mental clutter keeps us away from happiness, prevents us from seeing the good side of life, and traps us in a vicious cycle of toxic thoughts. It's like an emotional prison where we feel lost, suffocated, and unable to escape from this darkness. Every negative thought, every self-depreciation, every excessive worry is a piece of this mental clutter that accumulates in our minds. And the more we allow these thoughts to dominate us, the heavier it becomes, preventing us from living fully, loving ourselves, and finding inner peace. But here's the good news: it's possible to clean up this mental clutter. It's possible to free ourselves from this emotional prison and find the clarity, lightness, and peace we desire. It's a delicate process that requires self-compassion, acceptance, and self-love. You see, mental clutter is all those worries, negative thoughts, and self-criticism that insist on lingering in our minds. But it's time to put an end to that and transform this gray scenery into a true rainbow of positivity. Let's open the windows of our minds and let the breeze of happiness in. It's like a radiant sunbeam bathing every thought, dissipating any shadow of negativity. It's time to smile, my friend, because life is beautiful and filled with incredible opportunities. How about filling your heart with gratitude? Being thankful for every little detail that brings joy to your life. From the aroma of coffee in the morning to the tight embrace of that special person. It's these moments that make life truly wonderful. And how about allowing yourself to be a child again? Play, jump, and laugh out loud without fear of looking silly. After all, joy is contagious, and when we allow ourselves to be happy, we also spread it to everyone around us. So my friend, leave behind any worries, embrace happiness with open arms, and celebrate every moment with a smile on your face. After all, life is too short to be trapped in negative thoughts. Let's fill our minds with positive, colorful, and joyful thoughts. Today is the day to spread happiness wherever we go. Step 1: Recognizing mental clutter. First and foremost, we need to identify those negative thoughts and beliefs that are gathering dust in your mind. Open your eyes wide and observe attentively. Are they self-critical thoughts? Constant comparison? Unfounded fears? Identify them and write each one down because you are about to get rid of them. Recognizing mental clutter is the first step towards transformation. It's like turning on a light within us, illuminating the shadows and revealing the reality of what we have been carrying in our minds and hearts. By recognizing mental clutter, we become aware of the negative thoughts, self-criticism, and worries that have been harming us. It's a moment of courage and self-confrontation because we are facing what we often prefer to ignore. This step is crucial because we can only change what we acknowledge. By identifying mental clutter, we begin to understand how it affects us, limits us, and hinders our personal growth. It's like removing the blindfold from our eyes and finally seeing reality. Recognizing mental clutter also allows us to reclaim our inner power. We are not prisoners of these negative thoughts. We are capable of challenging them, questioning their truth, and replacing them with more positive and constructive thoughts. This process of recognition can be painful and challenging, but it's an act of self-love. By facing mental clutter, we are putting ourselves first, seeking a fuller and happier life. We are giving ourselves the opportunity to grow, transform, and live with more authenticity. So, my friend, do not fear recognizing the mental clutter you carry within. Know that you are strong enough to face it and overcome it. This journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. I am here to support you in this journey of self-discovery and growth. Together, let's transform mental clutter into a lighter life, full of joy and fulfillment. Step 2. Throwing away the mental clutter. Now is the time to free ourselves from the burden of mental clutter. Step 2 is about throwing away the weight that has kept us stuck, limited, and unhappy. It's time to make room for a clean, fresh, and renewed mind. Imagine yourself holding this imaginary bag, filled with negative thoughts, self-criticism, and limiting beliefs. Now, one by one, start throwing away these pieces of mental garbage away from you. Feel the satisfaction of letting go of these emotional burdens, of freeing yourself from the chains that hold you back. Give a firm and determined kick to each negative thought, celebrate every time you get rid of them. Feel the pulsating energy within you, strengthening your determination to get rid of this mental clutter. Every thought thrown away is a step towards your new free and radiant mind. This is an opportunity to rewrite your internal narrative, to replace toxic thoughts with positive and encouraging affirmations. It's a process of self-transformation, empowerment, and self-love. By throwing away the mental clutter, you are opening yourself to a life full of possibilities. You are allowing new, uplifting, and inspiring thoughts to fill your mental space. It's like opening the windows of your soul and letting the light of positivity come in and illuminate your journey. Understand that this process may require effort and persistence. There will be moments when the mental clutter tries to return, but you will be strong enough to resist. Believe in yourself, trust your ability to free yourself from this burden. You deserve a free and clear mind, capable of dreaming, creating, and connecting with the happiness around you. So, keep throwing away that mental clutter, celebrate every step taken, and move forward with courage and determination. Step 3. Giving a fresh shape. After freeing ourselves from mental clutter, it's time to give our mind a fresh shape. It's like having a blank canvas, ready to receive new and powerful positive beliefs. Imagine that canvas in front of you, waiting to be filled with positive affirmations, gratitude, and inspiring thoughts. It's time to cultivate a mental garden where self-confidence, self-love, and enthusiasm for life flourish. Start filling that canvas with affirmations that strengthen your self-esteem and belief in yourself. Speak words of encouragement to yourself and reinforce your unique qualities and talents. Cultivate the certainty that you are capable of achieving your goals and overcoming challenges. Don't forget about gratitude. Recognize the blessings in your life, even in the simplest things. Be thankful for the air you breathe, for the family and friends who support you, for the opportunities that come your way. Gratitude is a powerful nourishment for the soul, nurturing our happiness and well-being. Fill your mental garden with inspiring thoughts. Feed your mind with success stories, motivational quotes, and examples of overcoming obstacles. Allow yourself to dream big and believe that you can achieve your boldest dreams. As you give a fresh shape to your mind, feel the transformation happening. Feel the positive energy pulsating within you, propelling you towards a fulfilling and accomplished life. Believe in your potential and the ability to shape your reality. Remember to water this mental garden daily, nurturing it with positive thoughts, self-care practices, and moments of pause and reflection. Take care of yourself, prioritize your mental health, and find balance in all areas of your life. You are on the path to a renewed mind full of possibilities. Believe in the power of giving a fresh shape to your mind and allow yourself to blossom in this mental garden filled with love, self-confidence, and gratitude. Step 4. Maintaining a clean mind. A mental cleanse is an ongoing process. Just as you regularly clean your house, it's important to take care of your mind. Maintaining a clean mind is essential for our continuous well-being. Just as we do regular cleaning in our homes, it's crucial to care for our minds consistently and devotedly. Establishing daily routines of mental self-care is like a sacred ritual, a moment where we reconnect with ourselves and nurture our mental clarity. Set aside time for meditation, breathing exercises, or gratitude practices that help cleanse and calm the mind. Meditation is a powerful tool to connect with the present moment, calm the mind, and release accumulated stress. Allow yourself to sit in silence, focusing on your breath, and observing your thoughts passing by without clinging to them. Find peace in the stillness of your mind. Breathing exercises are also valuable tools for maintaining a clean mind. Breathe deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and as you exhale, release any tension or worries. Conscious breathing helps balance energies and brings mental clarity. Remember that maintaining a clean mind is an ongoing journey. Just as dust can accumulate again in our homes, negative thoughts can resurface. Be aware and vigilant of the thoughts that arise, consciously choosing to cultivate those that strengthen and uplift you. A clean mind is a powerful sanctuary for your well-being. It's a space where you can find clarity, peace, and inner harmony. Taking care of your mind is an act of self-love, ensuring you have a solid foundation to face life's challenges with resilience and serenity. Now that you have the complete guide for an extraordinary mental cleanse, it's time to put it into practice. Get ready to see your mind shine with new energy, clarity, and joy of living. Remember that you have the power to take control of the thoughts that inhabit your mind. Embrace this journey and celebrate your new clean and renewed mind. Our mental health is as valuable as our physical health. Mental clutter consumes us, suffocates us, and prevents us from living a fulfilled and happy life. It keeps us trapped in a state of sadness, anxiety, and self-sabotage. By dealing with mental clutter, we make space for happiness, inner peace, and a deeper connection with ourselves and others. It's like a dark curtain dissipating, revealing a colorful and possibilities-filled scenery. When we free ourselves from mental clutter, we're able to see the world with fresh eyes, appreciate the little things, and find joy in the simplest situations. We gain mental clarity, enabling us to make more conscious and positive decisions for our lives. Furthermore, by taking care of our mental health, we pave the way for healthier and more meaningful relationships. We learn to love and value ourselves, allowing us to establish authentic connections with others based on respect, understanding, and affection. Mental health also directly influences our productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. When we're free from mental clutter, we can better focus on our goals, achieve more satisfying performance in our activities, and feel a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Therefore, it's important to take care of mental clutter to live a fulfilling, balanced, and happy life. We deserve that tranquility and deep connection with ourselves. So, let's commit to this challenge, seeking the necessary support and cultivating healthy habits that promote our mental health. Thank you so much for following along with this inspiring video. I hope these tips for cleansing and caring for the mind have touched your heart. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to receive more videos that will fill your life with joy, motivation, and positivity. Your interaction is highly appreciated. Remember that the journey of maintaining a mind clean and healthy is a gift you can give yourself every day. Follow these practices, cultivate positive thoughts, and nourish your mind with love and gratitude.